I just finished my flight and it's a 10 out of 10.
Have you ever wondered what it's like to fly a plane before you even finish high school? That's exactly what our son is about to do. Thanks to the Young Eagles program, which is a free program for kids under 18, especially for homeschoolers and any person curious about aviation, it gives them a chance to fly with a licensed pilot and even take over controls, all at no cost. Yes, you heard that right. It's absolutely free. And they offer this experience all across America. Just check out their website, enter your zip code, and you'll find one near you. Now here's what to expect when you arrive. When we arrived, we signed in and waited in a cozy waiting room with other families. There was white and excitement in the air and a little nervous energy too. While in the waiting room, kids were coming and going. Then our son's name was eventually called and we all got escorted out. He was paired with a small group and his pilot, who took them through a brief introductory class before loading into the airplane. They got to learn the basics about the airplane and aircraft and what all goes into the pre-flight checks and how everything works. The kids were engaged and hands-on, and before we knew it, it was time to fly. As parents, watching the plane lift off with our child inside was a mix of pride, excitement, and a little bit of nerves. His younger siblings definitely felt it too. They missed him the moment that he left. And yes, there were even a few tears while we waited. But just over an hour, a little plane came back into view. And when he stepped off, he was glowing. Not only did he get to experience flying, but he actually got to take control for a little bit, feeling what it's like to fly, not just ride, but fly. After the flight, he was given a Young Eagles button, a certificate of completion, and even access to free online ground school training for an entire year. This one experience has sparked something deep in him. Now, he's talking about becoming a pilot as a career, and we believe in him. This was more than just a flight. It was a life-changing moment, and the best part is that it's available to kids all across America. If you're a homeschooling family or have a child who's under 18 who dreams of the sky, go to the Young Eagles website and find an event near you. Trust me, it's absolutely worth it. This was a day that we'll never forget, and it might be just the beginning of something big. Thank you, Young Eagles, and thank you to the amazing volunteers and pilots who make dreams take flight. Let your kids discover the sky, let them dream bigger, and let them fly. I can't tell you how meaningful this experience was to both my son and my family, and I can't wait to get them to try again. And our daughter's excited to now be old enough and eligible to take her first flight soon.